Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can see who shared your Instagram post. Friends, please put your likes, write your comments, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you. So, if you want to see who shared any of your posts on Instagram, then you're gonna have to find that post and then click on the three dots above it. And let me tell you right away, friends, that unfortunately, with the latest updates to the Instagram app, this feature has become impossible. If before you could see who shared your post, now there is no such possibility. The only thing you can do is select Statistics. And here you can see how many people, let's say, have shared your post. Just the number of people, because, as I said, with the latest Instagram update, it's becoming a little bit more private. The only thing you can do is when you're the only one who has put up any kind of post, and let's say someone shares it to their story, their friends. You can see who's sharing your post to their story if you go to the Instagram homepage. And right there at the top near the direct icon, there's this heart. Click on it. And there will be absolutely all of your likes that you're getting. There will also be people who are subscribing to you. And there will also be messages to you that someone has shared your post to their story. And that way you can see who did it and go to that person's page. But if someone has shared your post, for example, in correspondence at himself or with someone, then, so to speak, unfortunately, such information you will not know. Friends, this is how you can see who shared your Instagram post. Please, friends, leave your likes, write comments, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.